Oh my god! Looks like Husky has his own version of biometric authentication.
Watch that one flap on the side.
Alright, hold their key, check a bottle.
Welcome to our greatest circus show, where balancing baby goats will have this epic debut of all time.
Hey, you enjoying the parrot, officer?
Yeah, looking for
You might as well recruit them, put them on your shoulder and that. Yeah, PC depth.
Both woolly and furry, no wonder this sheep has mistaken herself as a kitty.
Maligator.exe has stopped working due to excessive affection.
Do the donkey face.
Those eyes are pure judgmental alarm clocks. These dogs are high-drive working breeds. They move so they exist. Meet the self-appointed fashion police. He's making an arrest. Guys, some friendships are simply sealed by a lick. All dads indeed go from the no dog to personal flight instructor.
Do it again. No.
I bet this one's about to lead a very tiny, very adorable revolution. Suspect was caught red-handed or black-pawed.
Yes.
People say training is hard.
Watch that one flap on the side.
Alright, hold their key, check a bottle.
Backyard adventures are better with a furry friend. proof that some dogs clearly watched more action. This little guy's not running away. He's just coaching the officers on their cardio. This is a private dining experience. Friends need distance sometimes.
What are we doing back here? The turkey. Almost up.
Every walk is an opportunity for a new adventure, guys.
Grinning how Donkey flexes his teeth to his last breath.
Nine.
The deer has invited this chillagoutie over for a group meditation.
Yes.
People say training is hard. Kitten's like, I didn't sign up for this level of cardio, bro. Someone tell Officer Nay that those aren't giant orange carrots. You know you've raised him well when he does this.
Little goat guy, hey, look at this. Look how cool this car is. Get in the car. Yeah.
Best tour guide ever. No talking, great navigation. Journey ends when he comes back with a muddy badge of honor.
Shago.
Here we go. Take a bite of it.
Oh my goodness. Ouch! Nay! Nay. I didn't ask for back talk.
Something's in it! Something's in it! Oh, got it! Eat it!
This ferret's like, I played a note, now it's pause for applause. What a showstopper he is.
The whole way across. You okay? Is it scaring you?
When your personal trainer is a Ford Explorer with a siren. Turkeys are known to escort slow-moving vehicles out of their territory.
It's contemplating it.
Wasn't 100% sold on a police department community outreach animal. Sometimes you just got to stick your neck out. So we really thought this option was head and shoulders above some that we've seen from our neighboring agencies.
Mr. Yak, please give us some hay to build a house.
That took it.
Get him, Rodney.
We are literally watching The Fox and the Hound in real life.
Believe me, whoever taught him to honk must be brought to justice.
Out. Sorry. Out. Ah, así. Sorry. Yes. Yes, good boy.
You can't hide anything from a Mal. Are you snacking without him?
All pro runners know that warming up is a must.
The sheep doesn't know she's a self-heating marshmallow for that cat. The cat's face says, "The exfoliating massage is 5 stars. I shall allow it." Proof that your childhood can always get more interesting with a dog. When 2 best friends sign up for a marathon, with some leftovers. All trainers should take notes. This furry PT thinks crawling is the best workout.
It's a god alpaca.
The newest member of the K9 unit looks a bit different, but he's got the spirit.
Look at those teeth. Oh, he's actually going to block us.
Kiss, on travaille? Oui, bébé, on travaille.
Thanks for howling along with our husky hilarity. Don't forget to subscribe to join the pack for more laughs and fluffy antics. See you soon!
All right, let's see those pearly whites.
I'm a piranha. They're in the Amazon.
And a
What to do when your parents cannot provide you enough privacy at home?
Gus, get out.
All dads indeed go from the no dog to personal flight instructor. Why jump over the obstacle when you can just be a limbo champion? The first official meeting of the Hobby Committee looks intense. This happens when your partner in crime is a dog and super heavy.
Let's grow. What?
Nope. Nope. Sit down. Sit. Sit and you'll get it.
Spin. No. Maverick. Hey. Hey.
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
Welcome back to Where Fur Meets Funny. In today's video, get ready for the ultimate heart melter, but this one's proving the opposite. That moment when you find your soulmate.
Oh, he's fighting me.
Spin. No. Maverick. Hey. Hey.
No, brave girl.
Oh, baby. Oh, good girl.
I feel like she's going to be a lot like her dad.
When they said think outside the box, but you're a husky and the box is literally a fence.
Benji, why you went out?
Welcome back to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today, get ready for the most hilarious moments between the police and the animals.
It's okay.
You got a cage? No. I think Kiki's just gonna hold him in the cage car.
He's so cute.
Perfect example of, come on in, he won't bite.
Look at this, folks. I assume the water is losing, clearly. Legend has it, he's still running to this day.
They're just normal cows with a rap career. It's tongue twisters hitting the pasture.
These dogs are high-drive working breeds. They move so they exist.
Guess who just got back from the hair salon? Who wouldn't be afraid of Mum's flip-flops? Now he's running faster than the Wi-Fi at a coffee shop. When the staff said, make yourself at home, and I took it literally.
Nobody stays behind locked doors on his watch.
Oh, he's biting me.
Suspect was caught red-handed or black-pawed.
When your husky is born to give the cat good morning kisses.
Kiss, on travaille? Oui, bébé, on travaille.
Legend has it, he's still running to this day.
Come here, yeah, let's go for a ride. You're one bad mamma jamma.
If you have ever wondered why there are no bird golfers, this is why.
in. I had a couple Red Bulls. Have you ever had a Red Bull? I never had a Red Bull before, but I had a Red Bull last night. I really like Red Bull.
Yeah. No. They're worse than the big one, dude.
They're just normal cows with a rap career. It's tongue twisters hitting the pasture.
I get it. Yep.
Sir, you're being evicted for excessive jumping around our house.
Nope. That may be a little.
Huh? Help.
Go forth and sin no more, Mr. Bear. Your family is waiting for you.
Come on, Bugs. It's okay. Come on. Good boy.
School of Professional Chomp teacher isn't going easy on the tuition. Matching ribbons! They're ready for Passion Week.
Nine.
Welcome back to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today, get ready for the most hilarious moments between the police and the animals.
You got this. Oh, yeah. Man, he is not happy. He is not happy. Looks like he's singing.
Why wait for the waiter when you can just reach into the kitchen?
Sago.
我累了。
哎呦我操！
Late for feeding.
What's going on?
Looks like she's officially been claimed by the pack.
He's upset because he had to share the back seat with some merchandise. You're upset? Okay, look at me. What? You still got boogies?
One mistake, and you are fired, man. The cat's face says, the exfoliating massage is 5 stars. I shall allow it.
What are you doing? Off. No. Reverse. Reverse. Couché.
Trying to bite a swimming pool is peak Malinois logic.
What are you doing? Off. No. Reverse. Reverse. Couché.
Trying to bite a swimming pool is peak Malinois logic. With some leftovers. Meet the self-appointed fashion police. He's making an arrest.
Ow, okay. Yes, he wants me to pet him.
Puppy has officially resigned from the walking department. What my dog does when I'm doing all the chores. She's brave. Those things are basically feathered dinosaurs with a bad attitude.
Eco-friendly and full of energy. This husky's got it all.
Hey, you enjoying the parrot, officer? You might as well recruit them, put them on your shoulder and that. Yeah, PC dep.
This is what happens when a Belgian dog gets 1% bored. Love these pups? Like and subscribe for more. See you soon. School of Professional Chomp teacher isn't going easy on the tuition.
Perfect example of, come on in, he won't bite.
Newton's first law. A husky at rest stays at rest.
Both woolly and furry, no wonder this sheep has mistaken herself as a kitty.
Un animal silvestre que se encontraba cruzando la vía, pudiendo ser atropellado por...
Oh, how cute! This raccoon's snack attack. I'm coming, carrots!
When they said think outside the box, but you're a husky and the box is literally a fence.
Benji, why you went out?
My Belgian pup's got his socks on, ready for a mission.
Excuse me.
Hả? Chưa?